And now, she's the most magical person in the whole entire world. She is the voice of the universe. A superstar, a super idol, my super wife. Landers, are you ready? Please welcome the pop star royalty, Sarah G. Sarah G, DJ.
Hello. If you know this song, sing along with me.
I want to introduce myself again. I am Ate Sarah. Let's spell my name now.
S. Can you spell Ate Sarah's name? S.
S-A-R-A-H.
Yeah.
Alam nila may H.
Yes. I told you Bacolod knows it all. Bacolod's the best. Because sometimes
the city of smiles.
the city of
They
smiles.
have such beautiful, beautiful smiles.
And then Sarah's favorite is the Piyaya of Bacolod.
I know! At nandito din, tiga dito din sila Dan.
Yes.
Ayan, ang family ni Dan nandito. Si Oson family. Hi, dito.
Do you guys know, kanina pa kami nagdan ng Dan ng Dan. Do you know who Dan is?
Ay, alika, let's bring Dan on stage.
Okay, Dan, where are you? He's there hiding.
Hi, Dan!
Dan is responsible of taking Sarah's photos. Everything you see on Sarah's page, that's from Dan.
Yeah. Say hi naman, Kuya Dan!
Kuya Dan!
Kuya Dan! Yeah.
This afternoon, he's Dinosaur Dan. Say hello, Dinosaur Dan!